Okay, this is Cody with Sullivan Septic and Sewer, and I'm here at 19 Arrowhead. We just done a big repair out in the driveway here. Our camera's aligned just to make sure everything's good here, and we got two lines coming out towards the tank, and they meet kind of at the Y where it was broken, where we replaced. And right now I'm on the northern two-car garage side of the house, and a clean out here where it comes up in the house. Goes from ABS to white Schedule 40. We're just going to run it out from here and show everything's good. See everything's good. 4-inch ABS line through here. Everything looks good. We got a bend right there. Looks good. Going. Another connection looks good. Looks like right there got another bathroom connecting there. That's good. Keep going. Got a little connection there, kind of drop down a little bit. Drop down there, looks good. And then right about here, we're outside the house. We hit the white Schedule 40 pipe, 4-inch still. Probably running through the drive now, the driveway. Another bend right here. Looks good. Keep going. Looks good through here. Still looking good. 50 feet. In there. About 70 feet. That's good. You got a little soap bubble there. Good there, a little bend connection there. That's good. Keep going. 80 feet. Getting close to where we did the repair. Actually, right here this is the connection right here where we did the repair. Right there, that all looks really good there. Run it through. Connection there looks good. Connection there looks good. There's our Y. Everything looks good there. Right here is where it 90s and goes straight down. Probably won't be able to get it from all the way here. And then it goes down the hill. Just want to show everything's good from the house to our connection. Got the camera a little dirty there. So from the north side, from the two-car garage, all the way across the driveway to our connection's all clear. And we'll have to check the other side. Again, we're here at 19 Arrowhead. It's Cody with Sullivan Septic.